Hi ladies, welcome back for yet another crochet braid video. I'm really on the road with these crochet braids. I absolutely love the versatility of the crochet braids, different styles, all that stuff. You can change your look in 2 to 3 hours and I love it. Now this is my latest creation, well not creation but latest install. A little wavy, well curly. So it took me, let me show you the hair that I used first because I feel like I'm all over the place. This is the Afri Naturals Caribbean Water Wave 10-inch. Now 2 came in a package when I purchased from my local beauty supply store for $9.99. This is the hair. I did pull some of them apart while installing, and then depending on where I was, I left it as is. Okay, so this is the hair. I have been wearing this hair for a week now. The color that I'm wearing is T1B30. Okay, so I'm going to start by showing you my braiding pattern. This is it, very simple. These are not my best braids, but they are secure enough, okay? And then in the back, it's just straight backs. Each braid I connected onto one another as I went along. And then I formed this one. And this long braid that was left at the end of me connecting all the braids, I just interlooped throughout at the bottom. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please be sure to subscribe and turn the notification bell on if you have not already. And be on the lookout for the review of this hair. I'm actually going to go ahead and do it because I usually like to wait a week. It has been a week, so I'm going to go ahead and do the review of this video. I will have on the same top because I'm doing 3 videos today. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you in the next one.